Okay, this was another really popular question. How much money can you really make flipping houses? And you are asking the right guy here.
I laugh because it's a difficult question to answer. How much can you really, really make? We bring to the table 15 to 20 deals a month to investors. Those deals on the low side will make 15 grand. On the high side, usually about 50 grand. I always use the number 20, 25 grand because it's easy for us to do the math on. If I said $32,370.12, we're not doing the math. On a flip, every single month, we have investors making $20,000 to $30,000 multiple times a month, and those are deals that we're providing to our clients. Again, we don't charge a fee for it. We just want to do the loan. We do charge a premium on the loan. It's like a restaurant. If you can eat at home cheaper than if you go out to a restaurant. So if we're hunting the food, if we're preparing the food, and we're cleaning up afterwards, we charge an extra point. But we have investors each and every single month after month after month after month, making $20,000, $30,000.
Oh wow, that's great.
So and so I would say that in the real world, what you can make in our experience that we can document, $20,000 to $30,000 per deal.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions, and who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.